All right, let's check in with meteorologist Alissa Carlson, who is tracking the next storm. Alissa, do you have dogs?
I do, and one was a rescue.
Oh,
so
love
yes,
that.
it does. It feels good to do that too. So I hope somebody adopts Luna today. As we take a look outside, watching as rain. Yes, here it is. It's mainly in the northern portion of the state and into the Central Valley, but we are starting to see more rain pick up as we make our way near I-5 and the 405. So watch out for ponding on the roadways, and keep in mind that the roads will be slick as we head throughout the next few days. Still looking though as the bulk of the rain has yet to even arrive, and at this point things are pretty light. As we take you over to Thousand Oaks, Santa Paula, and then back off near the San Fernando Valley, still watching for rain there. Let's look at what we can expect now. It looks like we are seeing some rain at LAX, and as we head throughout the day, it's going to be very scattered, but we will watch for some pockets of heavier rain in here. And then after 9 o'clock, things will start to wind down, and we'll have a break until about Sunday night. So the Futurecast tracker showing moderate to heavy rainfall here this morning. That hasn't happened yet so far, but it could pick up, and we'll be watching really just blanketing the whole area as we head throughout the morning and into the early afternoon hours. Then as we head into tonight, notice that things start to break up after 7 o'clock. Still some moderate showers out into the valleys, the Inland Empire, and we'll have that break all the way throughout much of Sunday. It's still going to be cloudy, but then Sunday night, here comes storm number 2. This one has colder air. Snow levels will be dropping. Right now we're at a 7,000-foot snow level. We'll go down to about 5,000 feet, and then by Monday night down to about 4,500 feet for the Grapevine, and we could see a few snow flurries there. I don't think anything's really going to stick, but just know that that could be possible here. And there's your Monday forecast. Still a little bit of light rain continuing. Throughout the next 3 days, we could see maybe 3 inches or more here for LA. And keep in mind, the last storm system alone, we saw about 3 inches. This is going to be in 2 parts. So even though it may seem lighter, our ground is very saturated. It's very loose soils, and things could just pretty much result in a minor mudslide fairly easily. And then, of course, the street flooding too, and flooding in the usual flood prone areas. So that's why we're still concerned, even though it's not coming all at once. It still could bring some problems with it. As we take a look at the water year so far, we've had 10 inches of rain since October 1st, 10 inches and then 9/100ths of an inch. Our norm would be just about 5. So we've almost doubled where we should normally be. And yes, we are seeing drastic improvements here for the drought. We're still technically in a moderate to severe drought, but if we see another 1.5 to 3 inches, that could put a dent in that. We also, of course, are looking at snowpack and all kinds of other issues or other things that contribute to getting us out of a drought. So it doesn't happen just after one storm. Futurecast continuing to show winds, especially in the mountains, the Antelope Valley, as we head throughout this weekend, and then along the coastal areas as well. So watch out for gusty winds too. Temperatures are going to be in the 50s. And again, another just common sense reminder, if you don't have to go out, stay home, because it's just going to be kind of messy out there on the roads, and a lot of people need to slow down. Just your reminder there as well. Back to you guys.
All right, thanks, Alissa.